Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 4 different kinds of hand tools. So I'm going to start with a flathead screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver can be used for numbers of different maintenance applications. Flathead screwdrivers uses include loosening or tightening slotted screw fasteners for woodworking or other application that would require a power tool. That would not require a power tool. Next is a Phillips screw. A Phillips screw heads allows it to tighten and fit that than a flat screw head, which is not most factories and handyman uses them. The screw tend to be lightweight and relatively small, as you can see. The trick is to match your screwdriver to the type and size of your screw you are using. Next are pliers. Pliers are hand tools used to objects firmly, possibly developed from tongs used to handle hot metal in Bronze Age Europe. They're also useful for bending and compressing a wide range of materials. So, I have right here is a diagonal pliers. Diagonal pliers are pliers intended for cutting wires. The plane defined by cutting edges of the jaws intersect with the joint rivet at an angle or on a diagonal, hence the name. Now, and the next and the last one is a combination pliers. Combination pliers are called such because they can perform a combination of jobs. They are most typically used for gripping, compressing, bending, twisting, extracting, and cutting various materials. So there you have it. Now you know what are these hand tools can do. So thank you for watching and see you guys.